Okay, again we have started the same chapter, construction of class 9th. In the previous lecture we have taken 3 question of exercise 11.2, how to construct a triangle when base angle are given to them and sum of the two sides are given. And one of the question we have taken there, base angle are given to them, one base is given to them and subtraction of two sides are given. Today we have taken a question, construct a triangle XYZ. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle y is equal to 30 degree, angle y is equal to 30 degree, angle z is equal to 90 degree. We have taken angle z is equal to 90 degree, xy plus yz plus zx, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. So we have to construct a triangle XYZ in which angle y is equal to 30 degree, angle z is equal to 90 degree, and we have to give the sum of the sides xy, yz, zx is equal to 11 centimeter. For construction, firstly draw a line PQ that is equal to 11 centimeter. First you have taken the line segment PQ 11 centimeter in which angle y is equal to 30 degree. So make an angle of 30 degree at the point P. So angle made with the compass and pencil only, not with the pen. So taking P as a center, draw a semicircle which cut this point as D. Taking D as a center, same compass will be open, cut an arc. So make an angle of, this is the angle of 60 degree. For making the angle of 30 degree, half of the angle of 60 degree is 30 degree. So open the compass from D point to E. This is the point T, D to E. Then draw an arc. From this point again cut an arc. So make an angle of 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Same here, we have to make an angle of 90 degree at the point Q. So here taking Q as a center, draw a semicircle. From this point I have to give an L, give the point name as L. From L draw an arc. From this draw an arc. From this point again draw an arc. This is draw an arc. So make an angle of 90 degree. This is the angle of 90 degree. So this point is where this angle and this angle point meet them. This is the point X. This is the point X. So X we have to find it them. So from take the perpendicular bisector of this line segment P and X. More than half compass will be open. From this point P, draw an arc. From this point, draw an arc. from this point X, then again draw an arc, which cut this point PQ at Y. This is the point Y. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Again, this angle more than half compass will be open from this, from this point to this point, from this point to this point. So where they will be cutted them, this is the point Z. So meet XY and XZ. So this is the required triangle XYZ. So here we have to make it them XY for justification. XY, measure the length of XY, YZ and ZX. Then this is the complete question. Many times this question will be asked in your exam, and some of the all the sides are given, angle is given and another angle is also given. Next, construct a right triangle whose base is centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and other side and other side is 18 centimeter. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. That is the same question of exercise 11.2 first question. So same here, base is 12 centimeter. Take a base is BC, we have taken it them, that we can write it there. BC is equal to 12 centimeter. So construct a right triangle. So make an angle of 90 degree at the point B. From B, make an angle of 90 degree. B as a center. Then this BC cut at the point D. From D, same compass will be open. Draw an arc from this point, from this point, from this point. Then again cut. Again cut. This is the angle of 90 degree. This is the angle of 90 degree. Here make an angle of 90 degree, then sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. Taking B as a center, then open the compass 18 centimeter from at point B. Cut an arc. This is the point D. This is the point D. So join D to C. Join D to C. Then making the perpendicular bisector of D and C. For making the perpendicular bisector, more than half compass from this side may be open, that is more than open. So from C as a center, draw an arc. Draw an arc again. From C point, from this point D, draw an arc again. So join it them, which cut at the BD at A. So join A to C. So this is the required triangle. ABC is required triangle. Okay, I have repeated again. Construct a right triangle. So make a line segment 12 centimeter. Draw an angle of 90 degree. Then open the compass 18 centimeter. Cut an arc which cut BX at the point D. So join D to C. Make the perpendicular bisector of D and C which meet this BX line at A. Join A to C. So ABC is the required triangle. So this 11th chapter is completed. Try it. Okay.